So the movement, trust me, will make you sweat. I always sweat. All right. You try to aim for technique rather than for speed, because you don't want to start shaking like this. This is not a leg shimmy, okay? So the leg shimmy is forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. So you normally would find, your whole body will jiggle together with the moves. Okay, and if you're wearing dresses with fringes, like Sharon and Vivian, you find the and Diana also, you will see all the okay? Yeah, so this is your shimmy. So if you can go fast, of course, be nicer, but you don't have to aim for speed. Okay, just try to go as fast as you can. Trust me, the jiggle will make you burn the calories also. Okay? I'm trying to.
You know those toys we had last time? Oh, the toys and go like that.
I really can't remember this routine. Can I give you another routine if you know?
Just intro anything.
I really cannot remember this routine really, because if I haven't done it, I will forget. I know we play this one. I was going to use this in my Tuesday workshop, but where is it? Chop.
Okay, I better hide the breakfast biscuit.
I run through the moves with you first before you start. It's not quite a workout for this one, but you'll shimmy a little bit. So now again, we'll just run through the shimmy again, the leg shimmy. Remember, legs back, knees are back, front, back. Okay. This one is a really simple one. So I can't remember the Chai Chen Tao one. Maybe give me a couple minutes after this. We can go through the Chai Chen Tao after I run through it. But this one is not difficult. What you're gonna do? Okay, there are a few moves. I will cue you in, but you're going to do 3-point turn. Step, turn, step, reach up. Hello, do with me lah. 3-point turn, reach up. Okay, and then you 3-point turn and reach up. Okay, that's the basic one. But then later we will transition to a 3-point turn and skip. So what you do is you add a skip action after the 3-point turn. So you got your step, turn, step, and skip before you reach up. Step, turn, step, and skip. Okay? So this one, I don't know whether you like this song. I love this song very much. So when you reach, right, don't just teacher say reach. You can try to stretch for it. Use this as like your stretch. Okay? Alright, and then again, okay? So now I just follow what I do. Oh, wait, one more move. I will tell you to do circular run. So on circular run, please don't. Okay? It's this. Yay! A bit like ballet, I guess. But sometimes when we do this, we're off to the side, so you can use this to bring you back to the center. Okay? Now you don't aim for tight circles. Okay? You can just go one big circle and come back. Okay? Yeah. So if you're dizzy, then don't make last one mini circle. Okay. Sorry, I'm playing on my laptop because my phone tak ada.